Hi friends! This video is paper DIY tutorial and I will show you how I made stars for decorating my Christmas tree. To do this, I took a cardstock and cut it into 4 by 4 inches squares. You can choose any size you need. We take 2 equal squares for 1 star. Then we fold diagonally. After that, fold in half. Here's what it should look like. Here I'm showing how I fold at a right angle. Now is the time to take a glue. And now what we got. Here I'm decorating my Christmas tree. All decorations are handmade and I made it myself. If you want more tutorials, follow my channel and have fun crafting.